Namaskar, Namaskar, Mubarak, Mubarak. This is Shri Krishna Janmashtami, ladies and gentlemen, 11th of August 2020, and what a great day. This day, Shri Krishna, the incarnation of Lord Vishnu, just descended on this earth to just destroy and kill the evil and just bring dharma, the righteousness on this earth. And ladies and gentlemen, we Kashmiri Pandits celebrate one day before this Krishna Janmashtami, that is Zarmasatam. So we say Zarmasatam Chu Mubarak, Zarmasatam Chu Mubarak, Zarmasatam Chu Mubarak. Ladies and gentlemen, at the same time, there is something very important that I want to tell you, that what we keep the fast the whole day, and then it is all eating and it's all rejoicing by the fruits and of course the pakori cha asan khene, and that is exactly what has. These are very delicious different vegetables and fruit pakoras has been made. Ladies and gentlemen, I just want to show you also here that what exactly I am going to eat now. This is curd, yogurt, and of course the beautiful pakoda of the day, celebrating the Sri Krishna Janam Din, Janam Ashtami. Ashtami means on autumn. But then for Kashmiri Pandits, as I told you, it is one day before, and we say Zarmasatam Chu Mubarak, Zarmasatam Chu Mubarak, Zarmasatam Chu Mubarak, Zarmasatam Chu Mubarak. Thank you, God bless, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Jai Bajrangi Bali ki jai.